morning, teachers and friends. My name's Jenny and I'm from Class 6-1. Welcome back to Ruby News.
Hello everyone, my name is Vince and I'm also from Class 6-1. It's an honor to co-host this event with you. Today, we are very excited to talk about a very important day for all Vietnamese people, Reunification Day.
That's right, April 30 is a day of great pride. It is the day when our country became one and peace finally came to every home.
Do you know why it is so special? On April 13, 1975, the tanks entered the Independence Palace in Saigon. This moment marked the end of the war and the beginning of a new united Vietnam.
But Reunification Day is more than just a historical day. It is a symbol of the great national unity. It means that after many years, families were finally back together and there was no distance between the North and the South.
Exactly. It is also a day of gratitude. We start to remember the heroes who fought for our freedom. Their courage taught us that loving our country is the greatest strength of all.
Since then, our country has grown so much. Today, we see red flags with yellow stars everywhere. They remind us of our bravery, of our soldiers, and the endless love for our homeland.
Because of them, we can go to school, play with friends, and dream about a bright future in a peaceful country. We are the generation of peace, and we must cherish every second of it.
Speaking of peace, let's look around us. Peace is the smile of a friend, the guidance of a teacher, and the freedom to learn and grow every day.
To celebrate this victory and share our love for Vietnam, we have a very cool activity for everyone this week.
Yes, it's called the Peace and Bright Photo Challenge.
Here's what you need to do. Take a photo of yourself, your group, or your class with a symbol of Vietnam, like a flag, a famous landmark, or even wearing an áo dài or a red shirt.
Then write a short caption, 2 to 3 sentences in English to share what you love most about our country or what peace means to you. Be creative.
When you finish, send your photo and caption to rubynews.challenge@gmail.com.
The Ruby News team will choose some lucky friends to receive special green hero gifts, and your photos will be featured on our big board in the next school video.
Every photo and every word you write will show how much we appreciate our country and help us practice English together.
Before we end, let's promise to study hard and be kind to make our country even stronger and more beautiful. This is our way to say thank you to the previous generations.
Once again, Happy Reunification Day. We wish you, our teachers, and all students a wonderful and safe holiday.
Now, let's give a big round of applause for our beautiful Vietnam. Peace and love to Vietnam. Thank you and goodbye.